Welcome back, guys. Got a little bit of time out here in the garage. I'm gonna put it into the BMW. It's not gonna be anything related to getting it running. It's actually not anything that's even needed, but the ricer inside of me has come out and I got a pretty good deal on a already Hellrot red M3 rear bumper. So I'm gonna slap the rear bumper on the E36 real quick, and this should be a pretty short video, but a lot of people don't change the rear bumper on these. They just paint this black, and it sort of kind of does the same, looks the same, but it's not. So let's go ahead and get into it. This on the floor. So this trim should come off. Yeah, so we should be able to pull all this trim off. Comes off real easy. Then there's all these little tab jobs. I don't really know how these bumpers come off. I don't know. Something under here. So I'm just going to take the bumper beam off. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna have to buy like a bag of new clips. Okay, so I gotta get clips to put in there because I broke every single one of them. But let's put the trim on and see what it looks like. Not bad, not bad. I think it looks so much better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the M3 bumper on the car here. I'm a big fan. I think it really changes the whole way that the back of the car looks. For now, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the subscriptions. We're getting up there. And until next time, make sure you're having fun. Stay safe. See you later.